Hello, angels. I hope you're okay, and I hope your families are all doing well. Welcome to lesson 5 of our unit on decimals. I hope you're reading every day, and I know that in this lovely quote by Dr. Seuss, it says, the more you read, the more you learn, and the more things you will know, and the more you learn, the more places you will go. Now, I know right now it's not possible for any of us to go anywhere because of the quarantine, but when you read a book, you can go anywhere you want in your imagination. So make sure you're reading every day. Make sure you have an opportunity to read out loud, read to someone in your home, or have the opportunity to listen while somebody reads to you. But try and read every day, okay? So today we are going to read, order, and compare numbers up to 3 decimal places. I've got some websites here for you. They offer educational, interactive, and fun learning, not just for you, but also for everybody in your household as well. It's fun. You can do math, you can do English, you can do science, you can do spelling. So these are lovely, lovely website where you can have lots of fun learning. So decimal places. This simply means the position of a digit to the right of a decimal point. So 1 decimal place to the left of the decimal point is the ones place, and 1 decimal place to the right of the decimal is the tenths place. So you have a decimal point here, and then to the left you have the unit or the ones, and then to the right you have the 1 decimal place, and then the next number will be 2 decimal places after the decimal. And then, of course, the next number after that will be 3 decimal places after the decimal. So the decimal point is used to separate the whole number from the fractional part. So remember, I've said that any digits before the decimal, these are considered whole numbers, and all the digits after the decimal point are fractions. So today we'll be looking at the following: to order and compare numbers with up to 3 decimal places, and to use place value counters or images to represent the numbers you are comparing. So here we've got a number 5.743, and then we have the first decimal figure because it's the first digit after the decimal. Then this is the second decimal figure, and then the third decimal figure. Now you can use counters for representation when you're doing your numbers in each column. But if you don't have counters at home, that's fine. You can also use images as well. And we've done a lot of this in class and in school. So this is your mathematical inquiry for today. So I would like you to read this, answer the question, and then write it up and then email it to us. So please feel free to pause the video here. Okay? So we are going to order some decimals using our place value charts, and we're going to order some of these from smallest to biggest. So here is my place value chart that I did earlier. Get my pen. So I've written in the numbers already. So first one is 1.928, 2.310, 1.982, and 0.96. And we are going to order them from smallest to biggest. So the first thing we do is we look at the units column, all right? And that should be able to tell us which one has the smallest number or the smallest digit. And right here, we can see that there's a 0 here. This is a 1, that's a 2, and that's another 1. So 0 is the smallest. So straight away, we know that this is the smallest number. So I can use the same paper. Let me put number 1 here. Oh, my pen is dried out, but I think you can still see it. It's a bit faint. There you go. So that's number 1. So that's the smallest. So now we go to the other numbers. So again, look at the unit column. We have 1 here, we have 2 here, we have 1 here. So what we can do is just ignore the 2 for now, because we know that 1 is less than 2, and focus on these 2 number 1 digits, and then we can come back to this one. So the first one says 1.928, and then the other one says 1.982. So they're both ones. So we go to the next column, which is in the tenths column. They're both 9. Okay, so we go to the next column, which is the hundredths column. This digit is a 2 and this digit is an 8. And of course, we know that 2 is less than 8, which means 1.928 is smaller than 1.982. So this will be our number 2. That's the second smallest. So now we're left with this 2. Straight away, I know you guys have figured it out already. There's no point going further because you already know that 1 is less than 2. So this must be number 3, and which means this is the biggest number, 2.310. And there you go. That's how you order decimals from smallest to biggest. So now pause the video and then you can try number 1 and number 3. Ordering decimals. So I would like you to try these and then email me the answer so I can see how you did. Okay? So here you decide how you want to order the following decimals. You can go from smallest to biggest, or you can go from biggest to smallest. It's entirely up to you. So you've got ordering decimals here, and you also have one example of decimal fraction. So you order this as well. So you decide which way you like to do it. Okay? I wanted to show you this since we've been looking at decimals. Khan Academy, you've heard about it because I've mentioned this in class. It's a great website. It's a great resource and it's free. And they have decimals galore, tons and tons of math, decimals, comparing decimals and number line, converting fractions to decimals, multiplying decimals with word problems, decimals introduction. There's a lot. Okay, so I found this video. Khan Academy is dated 16th of August 2016, and the title is Comparing Decimal on a Number Line. The video is 1 minute and 39 seconds. I've put in the link, but just in case the link doesn't work, all you have to do is go into Khan Academy and then type in this, the date, and then I've told you what the title of the video is, so this should help you narrow down. But this isn't the only video on Khan Academy. They have lots and lots and lots and lots looking at decimals. All right, so just type in whatever you want to find out. Decimals, how to understand decimals, decimals on a number line, and you have lots and lots of choices. All right, so try it. It's a great website. Now, time for your task. You know what you do as usual. So you go to the link and you complete the task, and then you email it to us, and then we'll go from there. I've also given you word problems extra as usual. Go through these, do the working out, and also email it to us. Okay. By the way, you guys are getting very, very good at these word problems. I'm very, very proud of you. So keep up the good work and well done. Lastly, I know that we're all spending a lot of time at home with our family members. Okay. But I also wanted to say again that you guys take care of yourselves, take care of your families, take care of each other, and hopefully we'll see you soon. Take care.